Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Poco M4 Pro 5G and let me show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode, so let's change it to the video by using the settings bar and just simply going to left. Here we are. Now let's move to the right corner button so we can get access to more options about video we can manage with settings from the left, so let's open them. And here we are. In video mode we have video category at the first place with image stabilization at the second position, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. And that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.